to change server on OmeTV Mobile. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your server on your OmeTV Mobile app. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and after that just quickly download the OmeTV app in your device. And once you're done installing the OmeTV application in your smartphone, and after that just search for the VPN in the search bar in your Play Store or your Apple Store. And after that just go ahead and download the secure VPN server in your device. And once you're done downloading the VPN server, and after that just simply open your VPN and click on tap to connect. And once your VPN is connected, just open your OmeTV mobile app. What it will does that it will change your server in your OmeTV device. And after that you will be able to use your OmeTV from a different server using your VPN. So when you start your video call, you will be located in a different location using a different server through your VPN. So just click on the country section from the home screen in your OmeTV app, and after that just go ahead and change your location to the matching server that you have just connected your VPN to. And after that just connect to that particular server, and this way you will be able to change your server in your OmeTV mobile app. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.